Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Dash Camera Central channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at the top 5 best 3-channel dash cameras with built-in GPS. Dash cameras have become an essential piece of technology for modern-day drivers, offering peace of mind and protection on the road. And with the added convenience of built-in GPS, you can keep track of your speed, location, and route. So, without further ado, let's get started on our countdown of the best 3-channel dash cameras with GPS on the market today. Number 5. Grevsu PB32 Pro Built-in GPS 3-channel 4K Dashcam. The Grevsu 3-channel 4K Dashcam is a must-have for anyone looking for a top-notch dashcam for their car. The dashcam features a built-in GPS, which accurately tracks the location, speed, and direction of the vehicle. This feature makes it easy to pinpoint the exact location of any incidents that may occur while driving. The 3-channel recording system is also a standout feature of this dashcam. With a front, rear, and interior camera, you will have full coverage of your vehicle, both inside and out. The 4K recording quality is excellent, producing clear and detailed footage that makes it easy to see exactly what happened during any incidents. One of the best things about this dashcam is that it comes with an SD card for storing your footage. This means you don't have to worry about purchasing a separate memory card, and you'll have plenty of storage space for all your footage. The Grevsu PB32 Pro is also very user-friendly, with a simple and intuitive interface that makes it easy to operate. The dashcam is also compact and sleek, which means it won't take up much space in your vehicle, and it won't be obtrusive. Overall, I would highly recommend the Grevsu 4K dashcam to anyone in the market for a high-quality dashcam. Its built-in GPS, 3-channel recording system, and 4K recording quality make it one of the best dashcams on the market. And with its user-friendly interface, compact size, and included SD card, it's also one of the most convenient dashcams available. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 4. Viofotone 133-channel Dashcam. The Viofotone 133-channel Dashcam is an exceptional piece of technology for anyone who needs a reliable and high-quality dashcam for their vehicle. With its built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, this dashcam provides a level of convenience that is unmatched by other similar products on the market. One of the standout features of the Tone 130 is its 3-channel recording capability, which captures footage from both the front and rear of your vehicle, as well as a recording of the interior of your car. This provides a comprehensive view of any incidents that may occur while you're driving, which is particularly useful if you're an Uber or Lyft driver. The dashcam's built-in Wi-Fi and GPS also make it incredibly easy to view and manage the footage that's been recorded. With the Viofo app, you can easily download and save video footage directly to your phone, and you can also adjust various settings, such as the recording resolution and the parking mode, directly from the app. Another impressive aspect of the Tone 130 is its compact design, which makes it virtually invisible when installed on your windshield. The dashcam's sleek black exterior is also very attractive, and it's built from high-quality materials that make it durable and long-lasting. In conclusion, the Viofotone 133-channel dashcam is an outstanding investment for anyone who needs a reliable and high-quality dashcam for their vehicle. With its comprehensive recording capabilities, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, and its attractive design, this dashcam are sure to provide you with peace of mind while you're out on the road. I highly recommend this product to anyone who's in the market for a new dashcam. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 3. Esdom M553-channel Dashcam. The Esdom M553-channel Dashcam is a fantastic addition to any vehicle. The dashcam comes with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS capabilities, making it easy to transfer and view footage on your smartphone. The 64GB card included with the cam provides ample storage space for recording extended road trips. One of the standout features of this dashcam is its 3-channel recording capability, which allows it to record footage from the front, rear, and inside of the vehicle. This provides a comprehensive view of the road and can be especially useful in the event of an accident. The dashcam's built-in GPS is a great feature that allows you to see the speed and location of your vehicle on the video footage. This can be helpful in determining who was at fault in the event of an accident. The Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to easily transfer and view footage on your smartphone. The user interface is simple and intuitive, making it easy to navigate and find the footage you need. The dashcam also supports loop recording, which automatically overrides the oldest footage when the memory card reaches capacity. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with the Esdom M553-channel dashcam. It offers an excellent combination of features and performance at a competitive price point. If you're in the market for a dashcam, I highly recommend giving this one a look. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 2. Wolfbox Alizon 3-Channel Dashcam. The Wolfbox Alizon 3-Channel Dashcam is a top-of-the-line dashcam that is packed with features. It has a built-in Wi-Fi GPS, which is a rare feature for dashcams at this price point. The dashcam comes with a 3-channel setup, including front, rear, and interior cameras, giving you a comprehensive view of your surroundings while you're driving. The dashcam is easy to install and the footage is of high quality. The built-in Wi-Fi GPS ensures that the location and speed data are accurate, and the footage is stored securely on the dashcam's memory card. You can also easily transfer the footage to your smartphone via the Wolfbox app, which is available for both iOS and Android. The dashcam has a discreet and sleek design, which means it doesn't detract from the appearance of your vehicle. The dashcam is also easy to operate, with a simple and intuitive interface that allows you to control all the functions with ease. The dashcam also has a built-in G sensor, which automatically saves the footage in case of a collision. Overall, I highly recommend the Wolfbox Alizon 3-Channel Dashcam for anyone looking for a high-quality dashcam with built-in Wi-Fi GPS and a comprehensive view of their surroundings. The dashcam offers great value for money and is definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new dashcam. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 1. Alizon M563CH is a great dashcam. The Alizon M563CH is a great dashcam with a number of features that set it apart from the competition. The built-in 128GB eMMC storage is a huge plus, as it eliminates the need for separate memory card and ensures that you will have plenty of space to store all of your footage. The 3 channels provide comprehensive coverage of your vehicle and ensure that you will have footage of any incidents that occur, both inside and outside of your car. The 4 IPS touchscreen is another standout feature, as it is easy to navigate and provides clear and vivid footage. One of the most convenient features of the Alizon M563CH is the Wi-Fi GPS. This allows you to transfer footage to your phone or tablet quickly and easily, without having to remove the memory card. The GPS functionality is also useful for tracking your speed and location, which can be helpful in the event of an accident. Overall, I would highly recommend the Alizon M563CH to anyone in the market for a high-quality dashcam. The combination of built-in storage, 3 channels, Wi-Fi GPS, and a touchscreen make this an excellent choice for anyone looking to protect their vehicle and ensure they have reliable evidence in the event of an incident. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. The top 5 best 3-channel dash cameras with built-in GPS. Remember, a dash camera is a crucial investment for any driver, offering protection, peace of mind, and valuable footage in case of an incident. With a 3-channel dash camera, you can ensure that you have a complete view of your surroundings while on the road. We hope this video has helped you in choosing the right dash camera for your needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos on dash cameras and other automotive technology. Safe driving, everyone!